Welcome to tomorrow's classrooms today. Writing lesson, writing a summary, mastering the Cambridge IGCSE curriculum requirements, a scaffolded approach to guide students through the writing process. Let's examine the reading and writing assessment objectives. Firstly, the reading assessment objectives. Understand explicit meanings, interpret implicit meanings, and use relevant information for specific purposes. Secondly, the writing assessment objectives. Organize ideas and opinions effectively, employ appropriate vocabulary and sentence structure, and maintain accurate spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Now let's discuss the criteria for reading. The content of your response will be evaluated on a scale of 10 marks. These marks are categorized into 5 levels, each with a specific range. You are expected to achieve a level 5, which necessitates that your response is highly effective, well-focused, and demonstrates a thorough understanding of the task. Now let's discuss the criteria for writing. The quality of your writing will be assessed on a scale of 5 marks. These marks are categorized into 3 levels, each with a specified range. You are expected to achieve level 3, which requires that your response is clear, fluent, and concise, well organized, uses well-chosen vocabulary, and mostly accurate in spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Before we begin the lesson, let's review the summary checklist. Match each item on the summary checklist to its corresponding description. The first one has been completed for you as an example. Pause the video momentarily to complete the remaining items. Once you have finished, verify your answers using the provided answer key. Let's now focus on the writing prompt similar to what you might encounter in your Cambridge IGCSE First Language English paper. Note that summary structures can fall into 2 categories: summaries with 1 main topic and 2 subtopics, and summaries with 1 main topic and 1 subtopic. This prompt pertains to summary type 1 with 1 main topic and 2 subtopics. Begin by carefully reading the prompt. Identify both the main topic and the subtopics of the summary. Ensure clear understanding of the expectations provided. It is crucial to strictly adhere to the specified word limit. Pay attention to the marking criteria provided. Carefully read and annotate the text, highlighting the relevant ideas according to the subtopics. Use color coding to differentiate each subtopic. For example, use red for subtopic 1 and green for subtopic 2. Read the second part of the text and annotate it to highlight the relevant ideas. Use the same color coding as you did for the first part. Compile the specific details highlighted in red pertaining to subtopic 1. Arrange associated concepts into coherent groups. Infer implicit ideas from the explicit details to substantiate subtopic 1. Follow a similar process of compiling, grouping, and inferring for subtopic 2. Utilize the provided sentence framework as a structural guide to compose the summary, ensuring all necessary details are incorporated. This framework is designed for summaries featuring a central theme and 2 subordinate themes. Begin with the main theme, the impact of swimming with dolphins. Introduce the first subordinate theme, arguments against swimming with dolphins. Include a minimum of 5 supporting points for the first subordinate theme. Introduce the second subordinate theme, efforts by responsible tour operators to improve the situation. Provide at least 5 supporting details for the second subordinate theme. Conclude the summary with an impartial assessment. The final draft of your Type 1 summary should be structured as follows. Let's now turn our attention to the second type of writing prompt for summaries, which involves one main topic and one subtopic. Start by carefully reading the prompt. Clearly identify the main topic of the summary. Ensure a thorough understanding of the expectations outlined for you. It is crucial to strictly adhere to the specified word limit. Take careful note of the marking criteria provided. Carefully read and annotate the text, highlighting the relevant ideas according to the subtopic. Compile the specific details highlighted pertaining to subtopic. Arrange associated concepts into coherent groups. Infer implicit ideas from the explicit details to substantiate subtopic. Utilize the provided sentence framework as a structural guide to compose the summary, ensuring all necessary details are incorporated. This framework is designed for summaries featuring a central theme and one subordinate theme. Begin the main theme, the topic of tigers in captivity. Introduce the subordinate theme concerning aspects of tigers being kept in captivity. Include a minimum of 5 supporting points for the subordinate theme. Conclude the summary with an impartial assessment. The final draft of your Type 2 summary should be structured as follows. This hands-on activity serves to apply learned techniques in writing a summary Type 1. It includes a structured sentence frame to provide guidance. Read the text and write your summary. This hands-on activity serves to apply learned techniques in writing a summary Type 2. It includes a structured sentence frame to provide guidance. Read the text and write your summary. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more writing lessons and tips. Subscribe to more educational content. Like if you found this video helpful. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Share this video with your peers. Let's master the art of summary writing together and excel in our Cambridge IGCSE exams.